Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today's video is a get it all done vlog or a get productive with me. You guys are probably gonna laugh. It is 9:06. I have been up since 5. I got all my morning routine stuff done. Excuse me, still sick, so we're dealing with that as well. Got dressed, brought Evelyn to school. I'm back from school. I got changed back into my pajamas. So today what I have on kind of the list of things to do is I actually have a ton of YouTube stuff that I need to get done. This is something that I haven't ever shown you guys in a get it all done vlog, but I usually film the get it all done vlogs on days that I don't have YouTube stuff to do. But today I'm wrapping up the 12 days of Christmas, which I'm super excited that I did. If you guys are new here or you're just tuning in for the first time in a while, this video is part of 12 days of Christmas where I'm uploading a video for the first 12 days of December. So I'll have the playlist linked down below. But essentially between that and being sick, life's just nuts, and I feel so overwhelmed and just kind of burnt out right now. But life doesn't stop when you're a mom, and there's a lot that I need to get done. So in any case, I have to edit a YouTube video. That's the first thing that I have to do. And I have to do the thumbnail, do everything. So that's the first thing I need to do. I have a doctor's appointment at noon. I feel all I do recently is go to the doctor's. Great. So I have a doctor's appointment at noon. I really want to put on some makeup, big time. That's my me time, or my pamper time, is to sit down and watch a fun YouTube video or something while I'm doing my makeup. I love that so much. So I'm gonna do my YouTube, I'm gonna do makeup, and then honestly I would love to spend some time in the bedrooms. Our bedrooms are pretty that sounded really perverse, sorry. I would really like to clean the bedrooms. Our bedrooms are really gross and there's just clothes everywhere. So I don't know if it'll happen, but I definitely need to cook dinner, so that will be in this vlog. So hopefully I can get YouTube, me time, cooking, and cleaning in this vlog. We'll see. I hope the lighting's okay in this. I'm sorry if that I was all washed out. So yeah, so the very first thing I need to do is actually make some coffee. So let's cut to that, and then we're gonna jump into YouTube stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing if you're new. I would love to have you, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, so I know that you like it. So let's get coffee, and then we're gonna start our day. All right, guys, so I got my coat on, I got dressed. It is 11:49. I have to leave right now. I just made myself a smoothie right here. So I made myself a smoothie. Again, check out my meal prep video if you want to know more. It's a delicious smoothie. It's like a peanut butter and jelly smoothie. Ooh, yes, it's good. So I just realized that I have to go grocery shopping after my appointment. I don't need a lot. I only need like 5 or 6 things. So I'm probably not going to check in with you again until like 1:32. I maybe do a little grocery haul, and then I have to leave to pick up Evelyn at 2:20. Cool. So then I get back from Ev around like 3:30. Again, it takes me a long time to get her from school. And then I'm going to try to do some cleaning. And then actually Chris texted me, we're actually going to go see a Christmas display tonight. So I might take you along for the ride. I'm not sure. I don't even know what the name of this video is going to be called anymore. It might be a Get Productive, or it might be like a spend the day with me sort of thing. I'm going to try to get done as much as I can, but I just don't know. So at least I put on makeup. Honestly, like that's really important to me. Like that is really important to me. Makeup makes me really happy. So all right, I'm gonna go to the doctor's, I'm gonna go grocery shopping, and I'll be back in a little bit. All right, guys, so I'm back. So I'm gonna do a little grocery haul. I did not get much, but real quick. So I got pouches for Ev. These are like a total staple for us. We have these all the time. Eggs, favorite waffles ever. These are for Ev as well. Like sometimes we'll have breakfast for dinner, and these are a great way to get protein for her. Oh my goodness, guys, I'm so excited for this. Oh my goodness. So you guys know that I am like extra low carb right now, and I saw these, and it is what? 6 carbs for a cookie, 3 grams of protein, 8 grams of fat. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna eat one of these, and I will let you know how it is. I needed blue cheese. I have blackberries and strawberries. Ev's favorite is strawberries. My favorite is blackberries. Unsweetened vanilla almond milk, and dino nuggets. So that's my little grocery haul. I know it's not much, but I definitely needed those things. Like Ev's been asking for dino nuggets for like a week. So yeah, it's 1:40. I have to finish up YouTube stuff, and then I have to leave to go get Ev at 2:20. So I don't think any cleaning is gonna get done. But when I get back, I'm gonna call my dad. I know a lot of you don't, I know a lot of you know, but I talk to my dad every single day on his way home from work. That's just something that we do, and it kind of keeps us close. So I'm gonna talk to my dad, and then that'll probably bring me to like 4. And then I'll probably get like 20 minutes of cleaning in, and then I gotta start cooking dinner. I may not get any cleaning. It might just go right into dinner, but I don't know. I don't know what the day brings. We're definitely going to look at Christmas lights tonight. So if anything, I might just film like a little bit tomorrow just to be able to add it into this vlog, just like for the sake of it. But this is real life mom life, you know, we're busy and we're having fun. So I will keep you updated, but for right now, I'm gonna try one of those cookies. All right, I have you like on the counter and you're out of focus. I'm so excited. All right, so these are the coconut cookies, peanut butter. They had dark chocolate and vanilla, but I chose the peanut butter because they had more protein. That's why I chose peanut butter. It smells like peanut butter, it smells like coconut. They're really good. Especially as someone with low carb and like can't eat cookies. So the ingredients are organic cocoa, organic agave syrup, organic peanut butter chips, organic peanuts, organic peanut butter, organic peanut flour, organic vanilla extract, organic vanilla bean, and Himalaya salt. These are really good, guys. Wow. Especially someone that's doing like keto or like paleo. So it's 110 calories for one cookie. But these are hefty. And it's 3 grams of protein. All right, that was delicious. I'm gonna go finish my YouTube stuff. I don't know when I'll check in with you again. But I don't know. I don't know what's to come. It might just cut to dinner. We'll see. So guys, unfortunately, I didn't get any cleaning done. I am so sorry that I could not include cleaning in this vlog, but actually Chris came home from work early, and as much as we love to have him here, you know, I had a plan and it got messed up. It's okay though, like I said, everybody loves when Daddy comes home from work early, so that was really exciting. So all I have for you for the rest of this vlog is dinner time, which I will walk you through. It is one of my favorite and most easiest dinner recipes. I've actually featured it on my channel, I think once before. So to start, I am just going to cut up some cauliflower, or you would start cutting up some cauliflower. I actually had some cut up. I cut it up a few days ago, actually in my meal prep video, if you haven't watched that. So in the gallon freezer bag of cauliflower, I am going to do Parmesan cheese, Italian breadcrumbs, salt, pepper, and olive oil. I don't measure anything. I just do what feels right. I'm going to put that on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper in a 400-degree oven for 30 minutes. So as far as like kind of the main course or like the chicken recipe of this whole dinner time, this is not my recipe. I will have it linked down below. Definitely check out the blog. I definitely want to give credit where credit is due. But essentially I have my frying pan and I am just sauteing 3 cloves of garlic very quickly, just for like 1 or 2 minutes. And then I am going to add in my chicken breast, and I am just going to stir that and probably cook them almost all the way through, probably about halfway to almost all the way cooked through. So this recipe is a honey garlic chicken. So I am pouring on like my honey mixture, which is 3 tablespoons honey, 3 tablespoons soy sauce, a little bit of pepper, and red pepper flakes. Again, you can adjust seasonings how you want. I actually seasoned the chicken when I first put it in the frying pan with salt and pepper, but you can put it into the sauce, whatever feels good for you. And I am just going to let that simmer and let the chicken cook all the way through. I don't stir it that much, but I mean, maybe occasionally go back and stir things just to make sure that nothing's sticking to the pan or anything like that. So
the recipe actually doesn't say to do this, but I did it and I really enjoyed how it came out. Once the chicken was cooked through, I actually took the chicken off the pan just so it wouldn't continue to cook, and then I continued to reduce the honey mixture, like the glaze, over medium-high heat, stirring constantly, like never walking away from the stove, and it just like kind of cooks it down into more of like a glaze, almost like a syrup type texture, and it is so delicious. My cauliflower was done a little bit before my glaze was, but if you're not doing this step, then everything would be done at the same time. Like I said, the recipe doesn't say to do this. You can just serve the chicken exactly like right out of the pan, but I wanted something a little bit more, so that's why I kind of cooked this down and deglazed the pan a little bit more. Well, deglaze is the wrong word because you don't really deglaze a nonstick pan, but I hope you guys get my point. So I cooked that down for probably another 5 minutes, and that was dinner, guys. So I know this video was not perfect. I know it was a little all over the place. I didn't get my cleaning done, but that's okay. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Make sure you come back tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last day of my 12 days of Christmas. Thank you so much for being on this journey with me. Thank you for watching my videos. I love you from the bottom of my heart, and I will see you next time.